Midco Sales has another new tow truck available at its dealership in Chandler, Arizona. This 8-ton wheel lift truck is built on a 2022 Dodge Ram Crew Cab chassis. It has 4-wheel drive with a Cummins turbo diesel engine and automatic transmission. The Jerr-Dan MPL40 wrecker body has a 16,000-pound boom, dual 8K winches, and a self-loading wheel lift. It has 2 lockable toolboxes, a Tomar light bar, and a mounted dolly set. Other features include a wireless light bar, 4-gallon trash cans, a jumper kit, and a DOT kit. Midco Sales is the Jerr-Dan dealer in Arizona and continues to produce its line of wreckers, rollbacks, and rotators. Visit midcosales.com to see our current inventory.